Yo guys, off to the gym now to do a pre-exhaust leg session for you. So me and Ben have currently had 2 days off the gym, 2 days off diet as well, so this is going to be interesting. But yeah, just something different. The last leg video we did was just a normal session, but this one's kind of a different approach. So we're going to pre-exhaust our legs first before we do the heavy lifting on the well, it won't be heavy lifting before we do the compound movements or the squats and the leg press, but you're fine by that time because you've pre-exhausted your legs. You won't need to go too heavy to still feel that burn. So let's get to it.
15.
15.
Five more. The knees lower.
Sometimes I like to do rest pauses. That's hard. And think about the strength of the more silent breaks. Hard now.
Well, Ben, just stay at the bottom a second. Go down a bit. Just stay there, Ben. Stay there.